Shower room aluminum profile polishing surface treatments. Polishing can improve the overall texture and visual effect of the aluminum profile, making it look more high-end and delicate. The choice of processing depends on the environment and needs. Shower rooms are more popular than ever, with more and more homeowners opting for a shower tray or wet room over a traditional bathroom with a bath tub. If you are struggling to decide, help is at hand. These shower doors slide sideways on tracks, opening within the footprint of the shower enclosure. Space-saving feature that makes them ideal for smaller bathrooms. They can be used as part of an exciting alcove to create an enclosure or combined with side panels. Our sliding shower doors and enclosures bring together a simple operation with stylish design. We have spent decades perfecting our products so you can enjoy a better shower experience and have the bathroom you want.